Hey guys, so day 3. Last night I was up, couldn't sleep, so I decided to make this dress. Reason, this was supposed to be the original dress for the opening, but it was in a red, a really pretty red, and I messed up on the pattern. I don't even know how I did that. I can show you the pattern. So this is the pattern that I use, which is McCall's M8340, sorry. So this is what I used, and let me show you the red. So this is the dress that I didn't finish. So it is, don't think I can save it because the mistake that I made was in the back, and once I did it, I couldn't figure out what I did wrong until I went back to the drawing board last night and I made this, and I almost did the exact same mistake with this one. And I'm so glad I put everything on the dress form. Now this is my dress form, Jilly, and I love using her, especially when I'm having issues, because you get to visualize what it's supposed to look like. This is my, not 100% my body shape in terms of the chest, and also the back of the dress of the mannequin is wider than my back. So size wise, if you measure it, it is my size, but I'm not wide. Like, this is wider than me. I am this way. I have the problem here, so I push out this way. The mannequin is pushing out this way, and that's not where the issue is. The issue is this way. So I am gonna eventually pat it to make it exactly fit this way and make the back the right size as far as my back for this. But again, you know, I need to work out, so this can go. But what I love about this dress is the tie in the front, because the tie hides this. Now it's not finished because I got to put the face in, and then of course when I stitch this I needed to go up a few inches, so I need to sew up here and then put the face in on, and then hem here. It is a split in the front, so I gotta do that as well, and the bottom, and then this will be done. So I'm hoping to finish it today, because this dress did not take me long to put together once, because I knew because it was a remake. It was faster doing it the second time because I already knew how to do the front. The front was not the issue. Where I messed up on was the back. So so this was like really quick last night to do it before, and I'm glad I got to this level before I went to bed. And I did try it on, absolutely love it, and you guys will see it on me as well. And I want to make it in a yellow stretch fabric that I have without the split and a mini, so it's gonna be like knee length, and it's gonna be hugging a little bit more in the bottom. I just want a mini skirt. I haven't worn like a mini dress in a minute, and I think it would be the color of that. I had that fabric for at least 2 years now. I think it's one of the earlier fabric I got when I started sewing, and I always want to use it, and I'm trying to figure out what to do with it that's gonna make it still look nice. And so this dress, but you have to see it on me, because this dress is a hell yes. So anyway guys, I have to go to the store. You know, I worked out this morning and I don't got much deodorant left, guys. Like, I went like this and it was like ploop, ploop. So, and I need to get some food stuff and some fruits. So I'll take you guys with me. Yeah. All right guys, luckily it's warm today, like 50 degrees. It's warm to me. Compared to the other day when it was like 26 degrees. So in and out of the store. It's my second stop. and it should be 2 seconds, and then I'm gonna get some meat and get back to the house. Quick trip. All right, guys, so this is what the dress looked like. I like it a lot. I got threads that I need to still cut, but yeah, I just finished sewing it. Love the sleeves. I love this here. It does, you know, make me feel a little bit more comfortable, a little confident, that too. And yeah, so I like. All right. All right, guys, I am reading this book. This was November's subscriber pick, and I didn't pick it up for a week, guys. So I had to start over because I was just like, okay, I'm trying to get into the book, and it's just not working out like I want. So I got to, where am I at? 96. So a little bit over more than a half of the book. I'm hoping I'm gonna be reading it tonight. It is only about like 8 o'clock right now. That's another thing. The timing just feels so weird. It feels so much later, but it's really 8 o'clock. Not planning on doing any kind of sewing tonight, even though I have the fabric on the table to cut. But I'm gonna wait till tomorrow because I want to finish this book tonight. So basically, this story is about a filmmaker, and he is going to Italy for a European book film festival, and they premiered his movie. He's there with like the cast, and he doesn't want to be there. He prefer to be in his own, you know, where he lives in his own space. It's just, he's just not comfortable. He meet a woman in the cafe. She's older, and she's talking about a man, her life, what she does, and also a man that she was with, and how he was an artist and all these things that she's telling him. And he's following her throughout the town. She's supposed to be like a tour guide kind of person, but he really doesn't know much, but he's fascinated by her stories that she's telling. And but in this, you also, you know, the cast that he's with and their interaction, it's not giving me enough. I don't know why. But this was recommended, and this is book number 11 that you guys recommended, and all the 10 books were very interesting. So I trust whoever gave me this is going to get better. I do like the woman's diary of things that she's saying. There's that when spouse died, and she's like, I have this obsession with somebody who was a neighbor and little things that was happening. She was basically like stalking the person. I thought that was interesting, but it was like, these are diary entry. So I'm assuming because of the whole diary thing might be why someone thought that I would definitely appreciate this. But I'm trying. We'll see how it goes, but I'll read the rest of it tonight, and we'll be back tomorrow. So let's talk about two books. Well, one book that comments already are being made on day 2 of Vlogmas. Let me grab it. So, oh, oops. So yesterday, this is one of the books that came. It said Night Wherever We Go. And this one, it's a debut. So Tracy Rose Payton. And this, it has some slave narrative. So because of that, because I was reading on it, it's going to be a heavy one. I believe Dee Dee from Brown Girl Read and Review this. But it's heavy. So this is one of those, I'm going to mix it with some romance short books when I start this, because I figure this is going to be heavy. But what I do like, it is short. It is short. And it doesn't think, I don't think it's gonna be slow, but it's so I should be able to finish this. Hopefully this is much more grab me, keep it going, because this is not fast enough for me. And this is less than 200 pages, but I feel like this is the kind of book when I'm done. Am I gonna think it should be less than that? But we're gonna still push through this because I trust my subscribers not to, you know, make me read something that I'm, you know, gonna not like at all. But we'll see. And again, this might be next, but I'm not 100% sure. But I really want this to be next, so we'll see. We'll see. All right, so I'm gonna end day 3 and pick up tomorrow. I'm not sure. Tomorrow I have a few stuff I want to do. Maybe I'll cook. Maybe I'll do some cooking. I don't know. We'll see. I don't have the first 7 days planned out, but the rest of the days there are things that I have going on that I wanted to do. But you know how Vlogmas goes. It's get better and better. But it's a short one today, so I will see you guys tomorrow.